Welcome everyone to my new episode of tutorials for BingX exchange out here on limit orders and market orders. I'd like to share with you the differences and make sure you have a clear understanding between the two so that helps you navigate better and perform. For those of you that do not have an account, make sure to sign up using the link in the description or comments area. It benefits you on discounts, trading fees, coupon codes, and all sorts of giveaways. Make sure to be part of my team for that. So for those of you that would like to trade on spot, futures, it doesn't matter. The concept is the same with limit orders and market orders, which is why today I'm going to go into the spot on the top left corner and deal with the explanation from the spot. Just like I said, on futures, when you trade derivatives, USDT and perpetual contracts, which is what you have to trade, is pretty much the same concept. The market order and limit order are two different types of orders you can execute on the exchanges. They're pretty much listed on the top right corner, right there. And we got basically the two major differences between. Why do I say major differences? It's because if you pretty much get back on the page, to the main page, right, and you scroll down to the trading fees, I have a video about that one as well. There's also trading fees here on the platform service. It's mentioned trading fees. You will be able to see the huge differences between the fees when you do a spot trading or when you do a futures trading. There's a big difference. Spot and futures, depending on your VIP privilege, of course, but the idea is that you're paying a lot more every single time when you do a market order, which means you are a taker. Right, you pay the fee of a taker fee when you do a market order. Attention. Find out more about it in my other video related to the trading fees on my channel. You can look for that. Let's get back into the spot trading and see the differences between the market orders and limit orders. When you do a limit orders, in a nutshell, you're actually deciding on the price. When you do a market order, you do not decide the price, yet the exchange will get the best price from you existent in the order book. These are the major differences, right? So you get the best price existent on the order book, someone willing to sell Solana, or the market exposing that Solana at that specific best price, which is listed on the order book. It's the first price section that is listed. That's the best price next to the actual live price. So in a nutshell, above the live price, the first one listed and ranked like that, with every single cent increasing, the amount of Solanas you can buy for those prices are listed on the amount Solana column. It's simple and straightforward, right? With 5 to 10 cents price action difference, you can have a variety of Solanas purchased, a great amount. This is when you do a market order, automatically it's going to get executed out of the order book. When you do a limit order, you decide on the price, and usually your order is going into the order book. It's waiting to be completed by others or by the market. When it's hitting your price, it's going to get filled up, which means that when you execute a limit order, you are not going to be 100% sure the price of the market will touch that price, especially if it's far away from the current price. For example, right now it's $134 on Solana. If I want to buy Solana at $100, I'm just going to set the price on $100 on my limit order. I'll say that I like to spend, right here, 50. Let me just put $50, right? I'm going to get 0.5 Solanas. I'm going to hit buy Solana, confirm, and I'm going to have a limit order at the price of $100 per Solana, which is $34 away from the current price. If the market is not dipping that low for Solana, simply I'm not going to get my Solanas at that price. And I'm just going to have my order sitting there, and I'm not going to have Solanas, right? That's the way it is. Now, of course, this helps you if you want to buy Solana at a specific price. Let's say you walk away from your computer, you don't sit at it every day, you pretty much define a level. I want to buy, $100 worth at $100, $100 worth at 85, $100 worth at 50. So I'm just going to set my limit orders like that, let them on the exchange, and wait for the markets to touch those. The same theory goes when you already have Solana and you just want to sell your Solana at higher levels, put your limit order right there, and you're good to go with that one. This is a huge difference, that you decide on the price. But if you decide on the price which is far away from the actual price, you might not get your order filled. If you decide on a price such as the $133 or $134 right now, there's extreme high chances to get that price action touched in the next minutes or so. If you see it's not getting touched, by the end of the day, simply tomorrow you put another order, or by the end of the hour or so, you can it's 134.60. I can put my limit order at 134.40 cents, just 20 cents away. There's 99 chances that it's going to be triggered sooner or later. Could be even a minute till it's getting triggered, right? So this way you pay less fees because you did a limit order and you went into the order book, so you got filled from the order book, which means that you are a market maker. You make the markets by putting orders in the order book. If you're a market taker, you're taking from the markets. And actually you're taking from others that are called market makers. They make the markets, they generate volume, they're paying less fees. The guy that is doing a market order is a market taker when it comes down to the fee schedule. 100% you're going to get your order filled. No one is asking you about a price you're willing to pay due to the fact that it's going to get it the best price existing on the order book. And you're just going to decide, I'd like to spend, $25 on my Solana. I'm going to hit buy Solana and I'm good to go. This is the difference between a market order and a limit order. The same thing is on futures, derivatives, margin, leverage, wherever you trade, guys. It's the same concept on any exchange, market order versus limit order. Enjoy, folks. That's pretty much all about it. Have a good time as well. For those of you that would like to learn how to trade, be professional about it, I do have a one-on-one coaching. You can find out more, reach out for a free call, and enjoy. Talk to you soon.